Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you are joining us from the previous video where we actually installed and secured the hinges on the door, glad to have you. In this video, we are going to run you through the steps required to drill the holes and insert and secure the door handles. Now don't freak out, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. We have the entire door on an actual flat surface that is waist high, and the hinges are already installed. As far as the handle, we chose this design. We really like it. Just shy of 7 inches long. As far as the position of the handle, we chose in between the two boards here, and the way we measured it, we have 1 inch on each side, both left and right, and the actual width of the entire faceboard from left to right is 2.5 inches. So you divide that by 2, it's 1 1/4. We then went up and marked our points, as you can see there, and then on the top, 1 1/4 right there. Grabbed our drill bit set. Recommended drill bit to use in this is an 11/64. And from here, slowly and carefully drill a hole through the entire board. All the way until you get right through, just like that. And then back it out. Now let's repeat the step and drill the second hole. Next thing we did is insert both screws. Once you see the tip of the screws come through both the bottom and the top, you want to position the actual handle in place. On the bottom side, you will see both holes where the screws screw into. With one hand holding the handle in place, you use the other hand to tighten the Phillips screws. Make sure both top screws are flush and the entire handle on both sides is flush. Now turn the door over so the handle is on the top. And here is a closer look at the actual handle. See, that's it, a pretty friendly project. Now it is time to take the entire door with the hinges that we installed as well as the handles and take that entire door to the storage unit and mount it on the hinges that we already have mounted and secured on the storage unit. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.